After more than a month of waiting and during this crazy chip shortage thing, I have finally received my CPU. It is AMD Ryzen 5900X, which is quite popular CPU, I would imagine, but I still had to wait a good old time. And as you can see, this is not the retail package. I'm not sure what a retail package even looks like, because in AMD's website they say that 5900X don't come with the cooler, so it's probably a small box, but not as small as this. So yeah, I'll try to open it and see what's inside. So 2021. Oh, there's a soft foam, shock absorption, and a very clean looking chip without any thermal compound. Diffused in Taiwan, diffused in USA, made in China. This is interesting. I've never seen made in China on CPU before. Usually they just say diffused in Taiwan, but there's a difference, because something is diffused in USA. I'm not sure what it is, because this chip has more than one silicon die, as you probably know if you're into this kind of thing. It has actually three. It has the central I/O die, what they call, and two core complexes, each with 8 cores, 6 enabled, 2 disabled, and each complex has 32 megabytes level 3 cache. And socket AM4 pin grid. And there really is nothing else to see here. It's the Ryzen 9 5900X.